DDD Stock Analysis Friday and onward. Am I buying is the question, and I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. 3D Systems stock, or 3D Systems Corporation stock, 21% gains is just phenomenal day. Phenomenal Thursday, let's go. Specifically with me, I haven't made a video on it before, so let's kind of quickly see it. I mean, context, I've done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course entries over the last 4 years, and as a result, the strategy has given me thousands of predictions. Even with this itself, the current 2-hour chart looks phenomenal, man. Like, I'll mark out the lows, mark out the highs. And now I'm looking to position myself like as on the long side, only if there's like a little retracement. I'm not going to buy at the top. Retracements are needed in order for me to long. But if I don't see that double break, there's no way that I'll buy. So that's how DDD looks like. Formation. I mean, just for context, there's a free newsletter, first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.